What is up, guys? This is Kira over here, and welcome back to the Trace 6 video. Today we are going to be continuing our Schnellfahrstrecke Köln-Aachen scenarios. So before we get started, I want to say something that yesterday's video was actually meant to be uploaded on Wednesday. Okay, it was meant to be oh my god, this is too much was going on, but it was supposed to be uploaded on Wednesday. So because but the reason why it was meant to be open on Wednesday is because what was I about to say? Oh yeah, because oh my god, I can speak. But it was meant to be uploaded on Wednesday, but the game kept crashing on me for some reason. So I was surprised I was able to get through that video. But then I was too busy yesterday. I mean, no, I was too busy on Wednesday, so I wasn't able to get the chance to upload on that day. So that's why only one video was still up. But there was actually two videos being uploaded on Wednesday. There was meant to be two videos being uploaded on Wednesday, but I changed my mind and I just decided to just upload with just one video. So yeah, so we're gonna be doing the scenario today. Ice and snow. I'm playing ice and snow. Ice and rain is what we're gonna be doing. So yeah, and forward to this video. So here we go. Man. Oh my god, let me close my window real quick. Jesus, man. There's too many kids outside. Okay, here we go. Jesus, man. Come on, hurry up, please. I'm sorry, y'all. I am irritated today. I did really have a good day in school, so yeah, so just bear with me, please. Make sure the game is not going crazy. I don't think it is. Alright, so this time we're in raining this time. Let me turn on the wipers. That's just the speed. I can't. Alright, I need to open these doors real quick. There we go. Okay, lights are on. They should be on already. Yep, they are. Alright, so, we're in ICE 3 today, once again. Okay. What? I opened. I could have sworn I opened up the doors. Oh, that's it. Unlock the doors. Oh my god, bro. I thought it's. Oh my god. I thought it said. Oh my god. I opened up the wrong doors. Yeah. Okay, well that was my fault. That was my fault. I opened up the wrong doors. Alright. Release the brakes. And full speed, because why not? Do we have a long train? I can't tell. No. It's not that long. It's fine. Alright, so Herman, we're going past Herman. That's the Go Via location, so we're going past Herman. And then I think we stopped. Wait, where we at? So we just left Köln-Aachen or Köln-Aachen. I don't know how you pronounce it. Like I said yesterday. So we just passed Köln-Aachen, I think, and we're going past Herman, if I'm pronouncing it right. And then I think we're stopping at Aachen-Hof Beinhof, if I'm pronouncing it right, because it's German. I'm trying to pronounce it in German. Yep, so Köln-Hof Beinhof? I mean, Aachen-Hof Beinhof. I think I'm pronouncing it right. I don't know. I gotta look it up. Let's see. Like HBF? I think that means Hof Beinhof. I think it is. I gotta see. freaking, I almost got into a huge fight today, so that's why I'm not really in my mood today, because, well, like I said, I almost got into a big fight today in my gym, so I don't want to, so that's why I'm not really, like, in the mood. That's why I sound irritated. This is irritating. I just don't know what to do anymore. I would say what happened, like, I would tell what the kid name is, but I don't want to get, but, I mean, well, because, like, I don't know, oh my god, I can't speak. I'm not trying to cyberbully no one today, so I probably won't give you guys much detail what happened, but yeah. Cause I'm not trying to cyberbully no one today, so I'm not gonna do that. Even though I'm irritated as crap, but, and I really want to say it, but I kind of don't want to, because like I said, I don't want to cyberbully no one, so yeah. So this is part 2. Part 3 will be uploaded on Sunday. So yeah, So so this is part 2 that we that is being uploaded right now. And March that just got done uploading, and part 3 will be uploaded on Sunday. So yeah, which is the last part, I think. Yeah. What? Oh, I got a red signal. That's not good. Should I slow down? Yeah, I'm gonna slow down. What in the world? Come on now. Okay, well, for some reason I have a red signal after this this yellow signal, which is weird. Oh no, never mind. It switched. It's right because I got a train in front of me. Let me see. Oh yeah, there's a train right in front of me. I think it's it might be, I think it's the Talent 2, I believe. I believe it's the Talent 2. Yo. I feel like I'm looking at a traffic law right now. Why do I have a red signal? You know, I'm just been, I'm a coast for now, cause I'm a just coast, cause I'm a just coast for now. Until like I can get just until like this freaking red signal situation can get sorted out. Alright, max speed. What in the world? See, like every time I slow down, it keeps but it keeps changing. So no, yeah, I'm just coast, for now. It's because of the stupid Talent 2 that's in my way. Where's it at? Is it gone? I don't see it. You see, it's the talent too, and it's on my track. Can I contact the simulator? Oh, this is going to be a long video. This train will keep being in front of me. Try to check the road map, or I mean, yeah, the route map, and try to see. It doesn't look like I have any more things besides this green signal. Except the talent 2 is stuck. I should kind of see what kind of train it is. I think I can. Let me see. I think it should say it knows. Yeah, but it's the talent 2. It is the talent 2. This is an AI service. Well, duh. But come on now, dude. It's like, you know, I can switch tracks. See, that's exactly why I want freelance mode to be in scenario planner, or yeah, in scenarios, because therefore, like, you can just delete the trains that's in your way, and then you can just continue on the journey. That's exactly what I want. Man, that's exactly why I want free roam mode and scenarios. Cause, yeah. I mean, well, they're doing a question thing again, so next Tuesday, so I could try going in and then, you know, ask them about that, because that seems that does kind of sound interesting though, like free roam mode and scenarios. Oh, okay, so I don't have to worry about that one. Okay, finally. No, so now I can just continue on. I think our speed limit is still 250 kilometers per hour. Come on, I need my speed. Ooh, we are going fast. Going past Duran, if I'm pronouncing that right. Because the U has like the one of which becomes at the top of the U, so I'm trying to see. So clearly it has like some sort of German accent to it. I don't know how you say it though. Oh, what if it's the U silent? What if the U silent? I don't know. So maybe it is Duran. If the U was silent, if that even what, if that's what it means. I kind of want to see more high-speed routes. I do want to see more high-speed routes. And also some American high-speed route, and plus, the American high-speed route that I want to see is, I mean, well, I want to say like the American. I mean, oh my god, because I guess like the American train that I want to see is Bright Line, because yeah, Bright Line. I'm assuming Bright Line is an express train. Yeah, but Bright Line is the high-speed train. But this time it's like it's not overhead wire, it's diesel, which is interesting. So it's a diesel high-speed train, I guess you could say. And with the Class 801 or the Class 802, it's run by electric. It's run by electric and diesel. Yeah, so which is kind of interesting. I think the Class 801, the Class 802, and I think the Class 805 is both electric and diesel power. I think. I'm not sure if there's any German high-speed diesel trains. I'm not sure if there is. I'm not sure if there is. I know there's German diesel trains, but I'm not sure it's just like German high-speed diesel trains. Or maybe it could be both diesel and electric. And they're going on the IC3. I meant to say NICE3, not IC3. Getting mixed up. Oh wait, we got a speed limit coming up. What is it? It is 200. Okay, so we're slowing down though, so we're good. Okay, so what is going on? I might be switching tracks because my next speed limit is 80 kilometers per hour, and I might be switching tracks. Yep. All right. Okay, I hope I don't derail. Hope I don't. Yeah, tired. Alright, I got to get prepared for this track that's coming up. Hopefully I don't derail. I shouldn't though. Plus my speed is slowly going down, so hopefully that might make a difference. That's why I'm zoomed in here, so I can lock in. So I can get prepared for the... Okay, it might be this one, I think. Ooh! That was close. That was close. There you go. Talent 2. Hello. Oh god, no, 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 no! Switching tracks again? Where? Because my cylinder is about to switch to 60. Something weird is going on. Hopefully that's good enough. Oh! Oh god, oh god! Okay. That was insane. Almost flew off the track there for a second. So now we're going to... What station is this? Strobodheim? Strobodheim, I hope? Wait, hold on, wait. Oh my god, hold on. Strobod? Wait, Strobor? Wait, hold on. Strobor. Wait, hold on. Strobor. Strobor. Hold on, I'm trying to... So, I think it's... Huh. Strobelheim Holzbeinhof. So Strobelheim Holzbeinhof. I think. I'm trying to speak German, so let me see. I'm trying to practice German, so Strobelheim Holzbeinhof. So Strobelheim Holzbeinhof. I'm guessing that's how you say it. I'm so terrible at speaking different languages. I'm kind of getting there with the German speaking. Kinda, not really though. Ugh. I did not mean to click that. Oh crap, I'm not paying attention. Shoot. Come on, slow down. I'm not trying to go too over the... Man, I keep speaking. I'm not trying to go too above the speed limit. Another ICE-3. And the talent too. I'm not sure. I kind of like this road. This road is kind of cool. It's kind of similar to Schnellfahrstrecke Coast of Wolfsburg. It's kind of similar to that. But except Schnellfahrstrecke Coast of Wolfsburg is more longer than Schnellfahrstrecke Köln-Aachen. Watch out, because I think those two routes. I think they're both the. Let me see, because I think they're both two routes. I think though is based off in the same place. So like Schnellfahrstrecke, is that a town or like a country? I don't know. Schnellfahrstrecke. I think it's like some. I think it's a country. I think Schnellfahrstrecke. I think it is a country. No, it's not. Because isn't it in Germany? Yeah, I think it is a country. I think. And I think Germany is a continent. I think. I don't know. I think Schnellfahrstrecke is the country. I think it is. I think it is. I gotta look it up and see. But I think Schnellfahrstrecke is the country. I think it is. Because then we got Köln-Aachen and Castle Wolfsburg. They're all based off in the same place. Just in different areas. But just different parts of areas in Schnellfahrstrecke. So I'm guessing. I think Schnellfahrstrecke is the country. I think it is. It might be though. It might be. But once again, I have no idea. I think Schnellfahrstrecke is a country. I think it is. I gotta look it up. It might be though. I'm trying to say above. I mean, I'm trying to say under the speed limit, but the gradient is. Yeah, but the gradient level is making my freaking train go a lot more slower. Because we're going on a 0%. Oh my god, because we're going on a 0.8 or 0.5 or 4% gradient, and it's taking it's pushing my speed down. Oh, there go that abandoned station again. It looks abandoned. So, in 4 miles, we're going to be passing Strober, Ryan, Hobeinhof, or oh my god, Strober, Ryan, wait, Strober, wait, hold on, Strober, Ryan, Hobeinhof. So, oh my god, oh man, I'm so terrible at speaking German. I'm so terrible. So, I'm gonna try one more time. Stroberheim, or Stroberheim, Hobeinhof. I think so. I don't know. There go that railroad crossing again. Oh, please don't derail. Please don't. Alright, yo, we gotta slow down. Slow down. I'm not trying to slam this thing into an emergency. Don't want to hurt the passengers. Alright, y'all, I'm back. I'm sorry. Okay. Quick question. Was that black? Okay, but there was like a black line that showed up, and like it was there for the whole time. So was that up? Was that up? I don't know. I hope it wasn't. Jeez, because like, I'm sorry, y'all, but the freaking game, the lagginess stopped again. So I had to, man. So I had to cut that part out. Jesus Christ, man, there's too much going on. So like, I just can't record a video in peace without just having this happening every single time when I'm just recording the video. Because I get interruptions. The game crashes a lot. It's so irritating. I mean, well, it's not really like a crash because like I'm streaming. I wouldn't necessarily say I'm streaming, but I'm doing like a streaming thing through the Xbox app, and sometimes like it can cause some lags and all that. And like make the whole game crash. So yeah, I mean that's how all of these videos are made. I mean, well, except with the trailers, I'll record through my Xbox. And then like I send them to my phone. So like I upload the videos to my phone. If you guys know what I mean. If you guys know doing it out here. Jesus. Alright, so Strober, Ryan, Hobeinhof is when we're passing here. Actually, wait. Hold on. Oh, we're actually almost at Aachen. I mean. Okay. Yep. So we're stopping at Aachen Hobeinhof. I think. I know I know. I could just tell. I could just see the hate comments. Oh my god, I can't speak. I could just see the hate comments from the German players, just screaming that I don't know how to pronounce German. I'm sorry. I could just. I'm just getting images. I'm just seeing just hate comments, just saying from German players saying like I am so terrible at pronouncing German stuff, but you know, I'm sorry, I'm not that. I mean, like I said, I'm not really an expert with German trains. Okay, I'm still learning how to control German trains and all that, but the safety systems and you know like well, though like actually knowing how to like control them. So yeah, it's a bummer, but I'm still learning, so don't worry. It's just I think the high-speed trains are easier for me to control. The high-speed trains, like the ICE 3, the ICE 1, the ICE T, or the ICE T, yeah, that one. There's another one, I think. Oh yeah, the Talent 2. I mean, the Talent 2 not really a German train, but whatever. But the Talent 2 and the Talent 1 are the most easy German trains. It's like the most easy German trains to run or to drive, I should say. But they're not that bad though. It's raining like crap out here. I think it's just light rain. I'm not sure if it's like a storm or not. It might be just like oh my god, it might be just light rain. I think. Well, I like the station. Oh, I didn't mean to put that. Alright, our speed limit is going down to 120 kilometers per hour. And it's going down to 100 kilometers per hour. Or is that 10? No, okay, it's 100. Because we're almost at the Aachen. Let's slow down. And then like once we hit 120 kilometers per hour, then I'm gonna slow down to 100. Oh god, no, 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 no. Get rid of that. Thank you. Jeez. That number is just annoying me, bro. Freaking, I literally slammed somebody's hand into a freaking window on my bus. Just because of that. There's something wrong with me, I swear, there's something wrong with me. It was just to get them to stop, okay? It was just to get them to stop, but you know how they be. Irritating as crap. It is raining bad out here. I mean in the game, not in real life. Alright, I can hold my health. Alright. Alright, just gonna slow down. I hope I don't hit this red signal. I shouldn't do, because I'm not like stopping on like the actual edge of the platform. Oh crap! Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Nice, perfect. Okay. Open up these doors. I meant to say doors. God, I can't talk. What does H mean? I think it means like a horn or something like that. I have no idea. Is there anyone getting off the train? I don't. The station looks empty though. The station looks completely empty. What in the world? I have to wait till 16:35 just to. Oh wow. Okay. Well, that sucks. I mean, that's 2 minutes, so. Shall we? Because I actually want to finish this. I actually do want to finish this timetable. Should I think? Do I want to finish this, or do I want to end it here, but just leave the gameplay running? So like I could just end the video right now, and then like I could just leave this, you know, and just leave it like this, and I could just worry about it ending the whole video. I'm trying to think. Nah, because I want to talk about some stuff real quick before we end it. So, because I want to see some stuff for tomorrow's video. So, tomorrow, well, like I said, tomorrow is when we're going to be doing an early preview of the Allen edition 1983 livery pack. Is a new. I wouldn't necessarily say new, but I said this before. It is another. It is a completely whole new series, I guess. Yeah, no, screw it, I'm just gonna say new. They're moving on to the channel because, well, like I said, we're well, because, well, like I said, because unfortunately, the Allen Chuma content. Oh my god, because the Allen Chuma 2015 series on this channel is unfortunately coming to an end, and we're moving on to the 1983 series. So yeah, but trust me, the 1983 series will be a lot more better than the 2015 series. So so trust me, it will be a lot more better than the 2015 series because we kind of didn't done that much with the 2015 series on the channel, but just there's going to be a lie with this one. So yeah, all right. So that's gonna do it for this video. If you guys did enjoy this video a lot, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the Similar Life Adventures as well. And what's about to say? Oh yeah, and also so like I said, stay tuned for the preview tomorrow and so much more. I'm trying to think of a video for Monday. I forgot. Oh my god! And also stay tuned for part 3 for the Schnellfahrstrecke Köln-Aachen routes. Yeah. So yeah, but oh my god, I can't speak. So there's going to be a part 3. There's going to be a part 3, which I think is going to be the last part. Yeah. So there will be a part 3, which is going to be the last part. I probably. Which is this Sunday, so stay tuned for that. And yeah. Oh wow, we're only done for stuff. Oh my god, I want to say stuff because we only went past 3. No, we went past 3 stations and then we stopped at Agenhof. So yeah. All right, that's it. So yeah. Hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys a lot. Bye.